A bill that would have allowed teachers to bring concealed handguns to public schools was rejected in Louisiana with a vote of 9-7, putting doubt to whether any gun legislation will be passed this legislative session. The bill would have forced teachers to go through training and earn a certificate by the Council on Peace Officer Standards and training to get the permit. But some experts say that gun legislation is still possible, and that was just a bad attempt.
I think it's overkill. We've got a serious problem of killers getting on campus and shooting students. But I think it goes too far to say every teacher should be armed. I think there's an easy solution, and that is these schools should have security guards, not all the teachers packing heat in their classrooms.
No further legislation has been presented so far this session.